My name is Lauren Reese, and this is Student Org Spotlight. Today, we're going to be talking with the president of the Latino Student Union to find out more about their involvement on campus. So, what organizations or activities are you involved in on campus?
Yeah, so I'm involved in the Latino Student Unions. I'm the president of that organization. I'm also a senator in the undergraduate student government. I serve on both residential and university conduct committees.
So, tell me more about LSU. So, what your goals are and what the organization's initiatives are.
Yeah, so basically the whole goal of the Latino Student Union is to serve as a safe space for Latinx students here on campus. But our motto is not Latino, not a problem, so anyone's welcome to come. We talk about issues that surround the Latinx community and kind of serve a place to talk about those issues.
So, what events has your organization hosted, or do you have any annual events that you guys participate in?
Our culture, not your costume, is what we called it. And so it's dealing with cultural appropriation and talking about what it is, a little bit about bystander intervention. If you see it, what can we do about it to try and mitigate that here on our campus. And we also each year do a Cesar Chavez blood drive. That's against Latino student unions and associations across the nation. And then we also do that dance that you do. So with a lot of the multicultural orgs here on campus, we get together and have essentially a big party, and then each organization brings a part of their culture, a dance from their culture, and teaches it to the audience.
So, how do you believe your organization stands out on campus?
We've been on campus since 1972, and any issue that is brought around our culture or other multicultural organizations, we unite with them and make our presence known and our support throughout campus. So I think we definitely have an impact on campus and the decisions that are made with individuals of our community and leadership positions on different organizations and different committees, and I think that's very important, and we have our presence here on campus.
So, how can students get involved if they're interested in LSU?
So we have meetings bi-weekly on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. They're open. We talk about the issues and initiatives that LSU and then the Latinx community deals with. You can follow us on our Instagram and Twitter at BGSU. And then our email is launion, LAUNION1972 @gmail.com. And that's how you can kind of get a hold of us and reach out get a little more information and learn about what we're all about.